guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, well, you might be wondering what I have here. I have this DIY sewing penguin for one of my Christmas presents. At the bottom, so we have a front and back, the black and white penguin shape thing, and then this white stuffing, I think. I don't see the needle anywhere. Some orange, pink, purple, and black, I think. I can't really see it. So, white and gray thread. I think I see the pink needle now. And then the scarf that we can put the thread in. And an orange thing. I think that's supposed to be for the beak. And some other white pieces right down here. Let's get started. Oh, can you help me? Yeah.
Here we are.
Oh, there. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Let's see. Oh, here's the stuff. So that's stuffing in here. I know it. So these are the materials we saw on the back, guys. These instructions, I feel like these are instructions. I'm trying to get it out of the cylinder. Okay, got it. It says instruction sewing right here. So let's go ahead and open this up first. It says get more. But I got this penguin. Oh, look. There's a penguin at the back. Sometimes I can just rip plastic like this. So I'm just gonna... There we go. Got it open. I'm going to rip it up a little bit more before I start taking stuff out. Take that out. I also need the needle. I wonder where the needle is. I still don't know what these are for. The orange thing is for the beak and the feet. But I don't know what the other white things are for. Oh, the needle's in here. Just take that out. And I got my needle. But this is kid friendly, so it's not like really pointy at the end of this needle. Mommy, can you help me with this?
Yeah.
So it says that I need a purple one. Your favorite color.
My favorite color. Okay.
I think I'm getting this tangled.
You gotta tie a knot. Do you know how to tie a knot?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you make a loop.
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Like that. And then you take this short end and put it inside the loop.
Yes, ma'am.
So you cross it, put the short end inside the loop.
I'm going to put the needle down.
And then, yep.
Right
And
there.
then pull, 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 pull. There's your knot. All right.
If you have one of these sewing kits, maybe you can do it along with us. I'm trying to like flatten it so I can put
So
it
if
through.
we do it like this, then put it right on like that. So we try it.
So just flatten that,
Mm-hmm.
and then I want this to be straight.
There you go.
Flatten
Yeah.
it, and then
And then
pull.
put it, pull it through.
There. You don't need scissors for this part. So there are lines that are like cut, but there's still some strips connecting. So we can just pop this out. So like sewing. Get it?
Yep. So you got the right piece that we're looking for first?
This one's right here.
Okay. I think you have to sew the eye first. So we're going to sew that eye first.
Okay.
Right here is just basic sewing techniques, just so you can know what you're supposed to be doing to put everything together. So this is knowing how to put the thread in the needle. So this right here is showing you how to put the thread in the needle. Then this one is showing you how to stitch. And this is method B stitching. That's method A stitching. And this is closing. So I already know how to do all of those things. So I'll just show you how to do it as we go through. So now we actually need a black thread. That's step one.
Oh, a black
so
thread.
not a purple thread. Alrighty, yeah, good job.
Got it.
Okay, so these two holes right here and here is where you're going to go in from the top to make your eye. We have our knot way over here, and then here's the other piece way over here. So we want it to be pretty thick so you can see the eye, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we're going to double it. We're going to bring it all the way down. Here, pull it all the way down so that it's even with this other side. The knot was too tiny to go through the hole, so we're going to make a knot with both ends of the string. Do a closure.
No.
Yeah, how do you do a closing? So you have to come out and then create a knot with the needle. So let's do that. It's a pattern. So
I got back, front,
yes,
back, front.
That's right. So we have these spaces here. Now we have to fill those spaces in to go here so that that can have orange there. Here you go.
So where do I go? Right there?
Yes. Go through both. Remember, white and orange.
Yes, ma'am. I'm through both.
Go here. So we're coming out here. We need to go in right there. Yes. I'm going to make an orange line right there. All right, go. Pull, pull, pull. And yay! We got a single line. You see that?
Yes, ma'am. Today, we already got the face. Sew the face onto the body.
Step 1, white. Step 2 and 3, orange thread. Step 4, white thread.
This one or this one?
Which one do you want to be the front of the penguin?
This one.
Ah, yes, because this one has
the tummy and the...
Yeah. Great eye, great looking. Okay, so set that one off to the side. So now we're going to sew the face onto the front of the body.
We're using some white thread.
Okay, so here it says to start from bottom. So this is the starting point of the face, then you go all the way around and then you end at the bottom.
We did a knot at the end so it can't fall out.
Ready to sew?
Yes, ma'am.
Go. Okay.
Okay, so what do we do?
Gotta line
We
up.
start from the bottom.
If we do it this way, then that means the knot is going to be right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so let's do it from the back.
That one.
Around the face, do you want single string or double string?
Single.
Okay. Getting really good at this. So do you want the spaces or do you not want the spaces?
I don't want the space.
Okay, so now you just gotta find out where to go next. So this is where you're out. So now you would come here to go this way.
I'm stitching myself. Done with the down here. All I have to do is do it down here. Then we're done.
A little higher. Okay. And it'll be covered by the stuffing.
Here's our penguin. It doesn't have its tummy yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for being part of our James family and wait for part 2. Bye.
Bye.